Hi everybody, this is Anna with Homemade Home, and I am going to show you how to make whole corn on the cob in the microwave. So here we go. Okay, so I have my whole corn on the cob right here. I'm going to put it in the microwave, and I'm going to press 300, so 3 minutes on high, and I'll bring you back when it has binged. Okay, it has just beeped. Make sure you get a towel. Pass me the towel, baby. Because this is super hot. Okay.
Hot.
So I'm gonna take it right here. Excuse my mess. I'm making spaghetti tonight. Get some corn on the cob. Okay. Now what you're going to do is, here baby, hold it just like that so you can see what I'm doing, okay?
Okay.
Zach, back up
Let
please.
me come on the other side to get a better view for y'all.
Okay, so you want to cut the end with the thing on it, like just a little off of there.
Yeah.
Okay. Just like that, and then you're going to just squeeze at the bottom, and it comes out perfect like that. Okay, and then you can just butter it up. I cut mine in half because I have boys, little kid. And that's it. Corn on the cob, 3 minutes in the microwave. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Oh, also, I'm going to insert some photos here from yesterday's Valentine's Day. And I just wanted to say happy late Valentine's Day. But for my children, I made chocolate chip cookie hearts and a heart pizza. So I'll insert some pictures of the pizza and the chocolate chip hearts. I went to video me making the chocolate chip hearts and it all got deleted. So all I have is pictures now, and I will redo that chocolate chip cookie recipe for y'all soon. Thanks so much for watching. Be blessed. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like these videos.